Okay, I'm going to do a prediction trick for you, and I have my assistant here who's going to help me. But before I start, I'm going to go ahead and make a prediction on this card right here. I'm going to write this down ahead of time. And I'm going to place this prediction right here in full view for everyone to see the entire time. Okay? I'd like to ask my assistant, please, Giselle. She'll come over here. I'm going to have you take 3 cards, Giselle. Take any 3 cards out of the deck, if you would. Okay, that's perfect. Now, what I'd like for you to do is, you can set them here for just a moment. Now, what I'd like for you to do is, I'm going to have you turn those cards over for me one at a time. And as I do that, each of your card will be equivalent to a 10. So, for example, if you turn over a 5, I'm going to say 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do you get it?
Okay.
Okay? So let's start with the first card. If you'll turn that over for me, please. Okay, that's a 9. So I'm going to add a card to that. 10. Okay?
Okay.
Turn your next card over, please. That's a 2. So here we go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And one more time right here. And that's a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Would you say that's pretty fair?
Yep.
Okay. Now what I'm going to do is this. You could have chose any 3 cards in the deck. Any 3 cards, but it just so happened that the 3 cards you chose was the 9, the 2, and the 5, which happened to total 16. Am I right?
Yes.
You could have chose any 3 cards in the pack. You chose these 3 cards. The total on those cards is 16.
Yes.
Do me a favor. Would you take the deck of cards for me, please? I want you to start counting the cards right here. Deal them one at a time. And I'd like you to count out loud 16 cards and turn the 16th card face up. Count out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
16.
Okay? We're beautiful. Now, before I go any farther, I'm just going to reiterate this thing very, very quickly. I want to remind you, you could have chose any 3 cards in the pack.
Yes.
It just so happened the 3 cards you chose, the 9, the 2, and the 5, total 16. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, the 16th card down from the top of the deck just happens to be the Jack of Diamonds.
Yes.
Okay? I made a prediction before we started, if you remember correctly.
Yeah.
And I predicted that you would select the Jack of Diamonds.
Wow.
And that is 33 card prediction.